Good morning, students. In sixth standard, we will see. We have learnt about fundamental operation. We have to solve two examples of addition and subtraction. In this chapter, we will see our third example of multiplication. Our third example is 6th standard. Point is fundamental operation. Fundamental operation. We solve in last period we solve three examples. In this period we solve third example is a company manufactured 35,17,413 screws in a month. How many screws it can manufacture in 1 year. Then solution of this example is, we have given example, a company manufactured 35,17,413 screws in a month. Then how many it can manufacture in a year? How many it can manufacture in a year? Then solution of given example is, number of screws we have given number of screws manufactured in 1 month. Number of screws manufactured in 1 month is 35,17,430. Then we have to find how many screws manufactured in 1 year. Then in 1 year, 12 months are given. Then number of screws can manufactured in 1 year. That is, we give multiplication in 1 month. It is 35,17,430. Then we have to find number of screws manufactured in 1 year. In 1 year, 12 months are. Then we multiplied by 12. Then multiplication is 35,17,413 multiplied by 12. Then firstly we multiplied 2 in the given number. Then secondly multiply 1 to the given number. Then firstly multiply 2 to multiplied by 3 is 6. Then 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 7 is 40. 2 7s are 14. Then carry 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 2 multiplied by 5, 2 5s are 10. Then carry 1. Then 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2 3s are 6. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. Again add. Then next multiplied 1 to the given number. Then 1 3s are 3. Then it is, we have given no number. Then start from second digit. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 1 4s are 4. 1 7s are 7. 1 1s are 1. 1 5s are 5. 1 3s are 3. Then adding these two numbers, 6 as it is. 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then the given number is 4,22,08,956. Number of screws manufactured in 1 year is 4,22,08,956. Then in fourth example is related to division. Then fourth example is a manufacturing unit. A manufacturing unit produced 40,24,272 toothbrushes in a year. How many toothbrushes? How many toothbrushes? How many toothbrushes it produced in a month? It produced in a month. We have given one example. Example is a manufactured unit produced 40,24,272 toothbrushes in a year. Then how many toothbrushes it produced in a month? We have given toothbrushes produced in 1 year, and we have to find toothbrushes produced in 1 month. Then we use division. Then number of toothbrushes produced in 1 year is, we have given number of toothbrushes produced in 1 year is equal to, produced in 1 year is given as 40,24,272. Then how we have to find number of toothbrushes? produced in 1 month. We have given 1 year, that is 12 months. Then we have to find number of toothbrushes produced in 1 month. Then divide this, we get. Then divide this, we get. Division is 40 lakh 24,272 divided by 12. Then we get number of toothbrushes produced in 1 month. Then division is division is 40,24,272 divided by 12. Then firstly we given two numbers, that is 2-digit number. First 2 digit is 40, then 12 or 3s are 36. Then subtraction is 12 or 3s are 36. Then subtraction is 4. Then we get next digit, that is 4. Then next 12 3s are 36. Then subtraction is, then next give 4. Then 12 5s are 60. Then subtraction is 4. Next one give second digit, next digit is 42. Then next one 12 3s are 36. Then subtraction is 6. Next we give 7. Then 12 5s are 60. Then remaining 7. Then last digit is 72. Then 12 6 are 72. Then 72 minus 72 is 0. Remainder are 0. Then the answer is number of toothbrushes. Number of toothbrushes. Number of toothbrushes produced in 1 month is equal to 3,35,356. This is required answer. Then in next is exercise 1.4. Solve this exercise in homework. Then next point is estimation of by rounding of the numbers. Our next point is estimation by rounding. Estimation by rounding of numbers. Estimation by rounding of numbers. Estimation is to find a value that is close enough to the right answer with some thought or calculation involved. Then first point is we have to see rounding up to the nearest tens. Firstly, we have to see rounding up to the nearest tens. Rounding up to nearest rounding up to the nearest tens. In this, to round up a number to nearest tens, we should follow the rules given below. Examine the one in this pair. We have to find rounding up to nearest 10. Then examine one's place digit. One's place digit. Examine one's place digit. Then rule first is, if one's place digit is less than 5, if one's place digit is less than 5, then replace one's digit by 0, and second one is, do not change any other digit of a number. Any other digit of a number. Do not change any other digit of a number. First rule is, first, if one's place digit is less than 5, then first replace one's place digit by 0 and do not change any other digit of a number in tens place. Then for example is, we have to find rounding off to the 3040. Then examine one's place digit. Then one's place digit is 4, that is less than 5. Then rule first says that replace one's place digit by 0 and do not change any other digit of a number. Then that is, do not change tens place, that is, do not change 1. Then the rounding up to nearest tens number is, one's place digit is 0 and tens place is remains same. Then round up number is 310. Then rule second is, if one's place digit is 5 or more than 5, rule second is, if one's place digit is 5 or more than 5, one's place digit is 5 or more than 5, then first replace ones and tens place digits, by 0. Next is, add 1 to 100 place digit, add 1 to 100 place digit. Next, third one is, do not change any other digit of number. Do not change any other digit of number. Rule second is, if one's place digit is 5 or more than 5, then replace ones and tens place digit by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place digit. And third one is do not change any other digit of a number. Then for example, we have given one example. Example is we have to round off to nearest tens digit number is 427. Then examine tens place digit. Then it is 7, that is more than 5. Then rule second says that if one's place digit is 5 or more than 5, replace ones and tens place digit by 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place digit. Replace ones place digit by 0 and add 1 to the tens place digit, that is 2 plus 1 is 3 and remaining digits are as it is, that is 4 as it is. Then round up to the nearest tens number is 430. Then next point is rounding up to the nearest hundreds. Second is rounding off to nearest hundreds. Rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Then to round up to the nearest hundreds, we should follow the given rules. Then in this point, examine tens place digit. Examine tens place. Examine tens place digit. Then rule first is if tens place digit is less than 5, then first one is replace ones and tens place digit by 0. Replace ones and tens place digit by 0. And second one is do not change any other number. Do not change any other number. Do not change any other number. For example is we have given 1526. We have to find rounding up to the nearest hundreds. Rounding up to the nearest hundreds. Then we have examined the tens place digit. The tens place digit is 2, that is less than 5. Then rule first says that replace ones place and tens place by 0 and remaining digits are same. Then 1500 and tens place and ones place is 0. Then rounding up to the nearest hundreds is 1500. Then next rule second is if ones place digit, if tens place digit is 5 or more than 5 or more than 5, then replace ones and tens place by 0. Ones and tens place by 0. And second one is add 1 to the hundreds place and do not change any other digit. Do not change any other digit. Then for example is we have given number 23,486. Then rounding off to the nearest hundreds, then we have to examine tens place digit. In tens place number is greater than 5. Then rule second says that if tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, then replace ones and tens place by 0. Then replace ones and tens place by 0 and 1 to the hundreds place and remaining digits do not change. Then in 1000 and 10,000 places remains do not change. In ones and tens place is 0 and add 1 to the hundreds place, that is add 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 and remaining digits are 0. Then rounding off to the nearest hundred is 23,500. Then in next period we will see rounding off to the nearest 1000. Okay, thank you.